Welcome to the Arts and Medicine Studio. It's a new year, and we are hoping to relax together today with a video that I took of the Hudson River from the Jersey shore to the New York shore. Lizzie, can I show it to you?
Oh, I'd love to see it, Nitsa.
Why don't you share with me what you see?
Wow. Well, what I'm looking at here is the shore of the river. And really, the picture is divided into three parts: bottom, middle, and top. And that sort of represents the way it's showing in space. So you have the foreground, which is sand, the midground, which is water from the river, and the background in the most distance, which are the hills and the cars driving by, and then the sky. The entire image, I should say, is sort of a gray blue, and so it has a very wintry feel. I really like it.
Why don't we try to watch it again and this time listen? It is so wonderful to think about sky, earth, and water, and be able to think of how would I want to be creative, looking at it, listening to it, drawing it, or just breathing. Let us know what you did.
And if you make something, please remember to send it to us at aimnitsa@gmail.com. We would love to hear from you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.